Are you still with them?
6772.
Yeah, well, she needed to pick Michael up.